Hello students, welcome in the next chapter of organic chemistry. Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter named aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. This chapter is having weightage of 6 marks and with option it is having the weightage of 8 marks. Now, again, we all know that aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids, these are three different type of the homologous series. We are going to deal with all these three different homologous series under one heading. Why? Because we are saying that all these compounds, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids, they are having one common functional group in them, which is C double bond O, and this is called as carbonyl group. Hence, all these three compounds, they are called as carbonyl compounds. So, when we are talking about the aldehydes, ketones and the carboxylic acids, they are the examples of carbonyl compound. But there is a slight difference in their functional group. What is that slight difference? We will see one by one. First, I will take the example of the aldehyde. An aldehyde, it is a compound which is having the presence of CHO functional group in it. अल्डेहाइड्स हे असे कंपाउंड्स आहेत ज्यात CHO हा फंक्शनल ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे. सो दिस CHO functional group, if it is present in any compound, it is called as an aldehyde. This CHO group, it is also called as the फॉर्माइल ग्रुप. ह्यालाच आपण फॉर्माइल ग्रुप असेही म्हणू शकतो. कार्बन ऑक्सिजन डबल बॉन्डच्या जोडीला जर हायड्रोजन प्रेझेंट असेल आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूला अल्काइल किंवा अराइल ग्रुप प्रेझेंट असेल तर ह्या कंपाऊंड्सना आपण अल्डेहाइड्स असं कन्सिडर करू शकतो. सेम वेनी दुसऱ्या टाईपचे जे कंपाऊंड्स आहेत त्यांना आपण कीटोन्स असं कन्सिडर केलेलं आहे. Those ketones, they are also having the presence of carbonyl group in them, but both the valencies, they are attached to either alkyl or aryl group. So the C double bond O group, it is called as the ketonic functional group. हा C double bond O group हा ketonic functional group म्हणून ओळखला जातो. तिसरे जे कंपाउंड्स आहेत त्यांना आपण कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड्स म्हणतो. दोज कंपाउंड्स, दे आर हॅव्हिंग द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ COOH ग्रुप. the COOH, it is known as the carboxylic group. ह्यालाच आपण कुठला ग्रुप म्हणतो? कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप. So the carboxylic group, it is a COOH. It means that along with the C double bond O, they are having the presence of OH group in them. So overall, this is a carboxylic group, and all these three compounds, they are known as the carbonyl compounds. Now, what is the definition for all of them? Here we can say that the aldehydes are the first oxidation products of primary alcohol. अल्डेहाइड्सची डेफिनेशन आपण सांगू शकतो, फर्स्ट ऑक्सिडेशन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल्स. प्रायमरी अल्कोहोलचं ऑक्सिडेशन होताना पहिल्या स्टेपमध्ये आपण अल्डेहाइड फॉर्म झालेले बघतो. Whereas if the ketones, they have to be defined, we can say that ketones are the first oxidation product of the secondary alcohol. इथे सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल हा वर्ड लक्षात ठेवायचा आहे. जेव्हा सेकंडरी अल्कोहोलचं ऑक्सिडेशन होतं तेव्हा पहिल्या स्टेपमध्ये कीटोन्स तयार होतात असं आपण म्हणतो. Whereas the carboxylic acids, they are the type of the organic acids where we may say that they are the final oxidation product of all the alcohols. सगळे जे काही अल्कोहोल्स आहेत प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी किंवा टर्शरी ह्यांचं फायनली कन्व्हर्जन हे कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड मध्ये होत असतं असं आपण म्हणू शकतो. So this was about the definition of the aldehyde as well as a ketone and that of the carboxylic acid. Now we all are familiar with the functional group of the aldehydes. It is CHO, which is called as aldehydic functional group, or it is also known as the formyl functional group. Whereas the ketones, they have only C double bond O as their functional group, and it is known as the ketonic functional group. The third one, it is the COOH functional group, which is known as the carboxylic functional group, and we can say that the compounds aldehydes, ketones and the carboxylic acids, they are having commonly the compounds known as the carbonyl compounds. Rather than this, there are some other examples of the carbonyl compounds, but we are not going to go into detail of these compounds. The next thing which we are going to do, that is about the classification of the aldehydes, ketones and the carboxylic acid. So we will see how those carbonyl compounds, they can be classified. Now see, these aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, when they have been classified, we can say that broadly they can be classified into two classes. One called as the aliphatic, and the another, they are the aromatic compounds. Now we will see one by one. What are the aliphatic aldehydes? When we are going to write down the general formula of an aldehyde as RCHO, they are known as the aliphatic aldehydes, RCHO. Now this R, it is the alkyl group. So here, if we are going to attach any alkyl group and we will get the compound CH3CHO, this methyl group, it will make this aldehyde as the aliphatic aldehyde. Now the name of this aldehyde, it will be called as acetaldehyde. So this acetaldehyde or propionaldehyde or some other examples of the aldehyde, they will be written if we are going to change the R part, that is alkyl group, and we all know that it is a open chain. So जेव्हा एखादी ओपन चेन असेल आणि त्याला CHO ग्रुप जॉईन झालेला असेल, तेव्हा अशा सगळ्या अल्डेहाइड्सना आपण ॲलिफॅटिक अल्डेहाइड्स असं म्हणू शकतो. मग aromatic aldehyde काय असतील, तर aromatic aldehydes are those compounds which are having the presence of CHO group along with the aromatic ring. So along with aromatic ring, if I am going to write down the formula of the compound, it will be C6H5CHO. This is the example of the aromatic aldehyde. The name of this compound, it is written as benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde, it is the example of the aliphatic aldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde. मग aliphatic aldehyde आणि aromatic aldehyde मधला फरक लक्षात आला असेल की aromatic ringला डायरेक्टली CHO ग्रुप अटॅच झालेला असेल तर ते aromatic aldehydes असतात. aliphatic aldehyde मध्ये ओपन चेन म्हणजेच R अल्काइल ग्रुप तिथे जॉईन झालेला असतो. ह्याच पद्धतीने आपण कीटोनचं पण क्लासिफिकेशन करू शकतो. The ketones, they can be again divided into two parts, one called as the aliphatic ketone and another called as the aromatic ketone. So if I am going to write down the general formula for the aliphatic ketone, I will write it as R C double bond O R dash. This R C double bond O R dash, it says that to the ketonic functional group there is presence of two same or different type of the alkyl groups. Here I will write the simple example, that is CH3, C double bond O CH3. This is dimethyl ketone or its common name is acetone. So this acetone is the example of the aliphatic ketone. हे कशाचं example आहे, aliphatic ketoneचं. मग aromatic ketone काय असतील, here we will say that the aromatic ketones, they are those compounds where there is presence of either both the aryl rings or one alkyl and one aryl ring, where the general formula, it will be AR C double bond O AR or it will be AR C double bond O R. So here this benzophenone, it is the example of the aromatic ketone. मग aromatic ketone मध्ये benzophenone एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला लिहिता येईल. त्याच पद्धतीने एक दुसरे एक्झाम्पल ज्यात एका बाजूला aromatic रिंग आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूला अल्काइल ग्रुप प्रेझेंट असेल तर हा ॲसिटोफिनोन हे पण एक्झाम्पल आपण aromatic कीटोनचा लिहू शकतो. मग aromatic कीटोन हे असे कंपाऊंड आहेत ज्यात कमीत कमी एक तरी aromatic रिंग प्रेझेंट असेल आणि तो C डबल बॉन्ड O ग्रुप हा डायरेक्टली त्या रिंगला अटॅच झालेला असेल. याच पद्धतीने आपण आता कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिडचं क्लासिफिकेशन बघूया. कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड मध्ये जेव्हा जनरल फॉर्म्युला आपण लिहिणार RCOOH तेव्हा हे असणार आहेत ॲलिफॅटिक कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड, ज्यात R हा पार्ट आपण चेंज करू शकतो. तो मिथाइल, इथाइल, प्रोपाइल, ब्युटाइल असा कुठलाही असू शकतो. आणि मग हे मी एक्झाम्पल लिहिले CH3COOH. दिस इज द ॲसिटिक ऍसिड. इट इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द aliphatic carboxylic acid. Whereas if I am going to talk about the aromatic carboxylic acid, we will say that the COOH group, it should be directly attached to the benzene ring. COOH ग्रुप हा बेन्झीन रिंगला डायरेक्टली अटॅच झाला पाहिजे. आणि मग अशा पद्धतीने C6H5COOH हा जो कंपाऊंड मी इथे मेन्शन केलेला आहे, दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द aromatic carboxylic acid. The name of this compound is benzoic acid. ह्याचं नाव आहे बेन्झोइक ऍसिड. मग ह्या पद्धतीने आपण ॲलिफॅटिक आणि ॲरोमॅटिक अशा दोन पार्टमध्ये कुठल्याही कार्बोनाइल कंपाऊंडला काय करू शकतो, डिव्हाइड करू शकतो. Along with it, one more type of the classification we have to see when we are talking about the ketones. आता इथे कीटोन्सच्या बाबतीत आपल्याला अजून एक टाइपचं क्लासिफिकेशन बघायचं आहे. Ketones, they are the compounds which are similar to that of the ethers, and we have said that as there are two alkyl groups present in the case of the ketones they can be also subdivided into two types. What are these two types? Depending on the alkyl groups, whether they are same or they are different, the ketones are classified into two types. One called as the simple ketones and another they are called as the mixed ketones. Now what are the simple ketones? The simple ketones, they are also called as the symmetrical ketones, where we are saying that in those simple ketones there is presence of two similar alkyl groups. So here we will say that CH3 C double bond O CH3 acetone is the example of the simple ketone. In the same manner, diethyl ketone, it will also be the example of the simple or symmetrical ketone. Whereas in the mixed ketone we may have the presence of two different alkyl groups attached to it. This is the name ethyl methyl ketone which will be given for this mixed type of the ketone. मग या पद्धतीने आपण सिंपल आणि मिक्स्ड अशा दोन टाइप मध्ये या कीटोनचं क्लासिफिकेशन करू शकतो. So this was all about the types of the classes of the ketones, simple and mixed, or they are also known as the symmetrical and the unsymmetrical type of the ketones. Okay, so this was all about the classification of the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. We all are familiar that either they will be classified as the aliphatic compounds or they may be called as the aromatic compounds. So like this we can write down the number of examples of the different type of the carbonyl compounds. Here we have to keep one thing in mind, that is about the टाइप ऑफ द कार्बन ॲटम. इथे आपल्याला एक महत्त्वाची गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवायची आहे, ती म्हणजे कार्बनचा टाइप ज्याला तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप जॉईन झालेला आहे. जसं की जेव्हा आपण सगळ्या ॲलिफॅटिक टाइपच्या अल्डेहाइड कीटोन किंवा कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड बद्दल बोलत असतो तेव्हा इथे सगळ्यांचा कार्बनचा टाइप, द टाइप ऑफ द कार्बन ॲटम टू विच इट हॅज अटॅच्ड, इट इज sp3. तो टाईप असतो कुठला sp3. Whereas when we are going to talk about the type of the carbon atom in case of all the different type of the aromatic type of carbonyl compounds, here the type of the carbon atom to which they have been attached it is sp2. मग sp2 आणि sp3 हे हायब्रिडायझेशन हाही पार्ट इथे महत्वाचा लक्षात ठेवायचा आहे. So we have seen the definition as well as we have seen the classification of the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. In the next lecture we will see the nomenclature of all these compounds. Till then, thank you.